We're live. All right, guys, welcome. Come on, Liza. There she is. What do we got today?
A Pitts.
A Pitts what?
S-1S 850 mm.
Okay, so we have a E-flite Pitts S-1S. It's an 850 millimeter wingspan. Runs on either a 3S or a 4S. This is the bind and fly, so it comes with the AS3X receiver, I believe. It is not discontinued, we found out, but it is just back ordered at the moment. So, reading the reviews, this thing was really, really interesting.
An amazing aerobatic icon.
Yes, it is an icon, and I actually love my biplanes. I have a PT-17 Stearman. I also have a Kristen Eagle 1, and now we have a Pitts S-1S in a beautiful form factor. You can just put it in your trunk or the back of your car and go to the field. Okay, little box damage here, but it's not going to be an issue, I hope. Let me move back. Ooh.
Alright, baby.
You ready?
I'd like to do the honors.
So I'm just going to hold my finger there.
I'm pulling away, okay?
Huh?
I'm pulling away.
Well, hang on, let's have a look here. Okay, go like this way, yeah. Ready?
That one's off at the bottom?
No. There we go. Alright, so the first thing I see is that the canopy is loose, so that's not the best sign, but maybe some, damage from shipping. Well, let's see here. Alright, there we go. Yeah, let's go ahead and bring this box here so we can set it down here.
You want to put that on top?
Yeah. Alright, now let me reframe us here. Let me make sure we're framed. Oh, you guys can still see that. That's awesome. Alright, so yeah, you go ahead and pull whatever you want. I got scissors right here.
Oh, where?
Right here. Alright, so we just moved locations.
You stay here because it's more room.
Yes. Alright, sorry about the interruption. So yeah, you can just go ahead and pull what you want. I'm thinking of maybe
I want to take these phones.
spreading the parts,
Yeah.
like the parts on here. There we go. Alright. Watch out. So we're just cutting the foam that's in here. Here, take that prop out first.
Oh, ha. Didn't see that one there.
You can just try it. Alright. So this is an 11 by 7, and I actually have an 11 by 8 right behind us. A little bit more pitch to it, so it should fly pretty good, regardless. Oh my goodness, what is this?
I'm thinking that.
Oh, yes, these are the, no, those are the, these are for the wings. They're like the X, like that one has, like the X braces, I think.
Oh, I see.
Don't quote me. Don't quote me on anything. So yeah, this thing has been out for about 3 years now, but we just... Okay, so this is actually plastic with foam in the middle, so we have to be pretty careful with these. Alright.
There's some tools in there.
Oh yes, in one of the bottom of these pieces of foam, there are screws and different tools. Not tools, but like you have the prop nut and stuff in here, so just don't throw it out. You have to be very careful. Nothing on this one, so it's just one of them for now.
Your favorite thing?
Yes, the manual. We have the instruction manual. This one says copyright 2020. So it appears that it was, it's hard to explain, but I think what happened was I was comparing the two manuals from the discontinued model and this one, and it appears that the only difference is that there's a new receiver in here, an updated receiver.
Oh, no.
So I guess just better firmware or I'm not sure, to be honest, but yeah, this comes with the like I said, well, I said 636. This is a 631 6-channel sport receiver. So, yeah, I think that's the only difference. Alright, so we'll need that.
Here comes it out.
Oh, we got one elevator. We have two elevators. So see, this kind of goes in like that and screws in. Like that. Okay, so this one we'll have to build a little bit, which is fine with me. Alright, so we have one of the wings. This is the top of the wing. Very cool. One thing you guys need to remember to do is to kind of loosen these these ailerons up just a bit. No, not those, because that has servos in it.
Yeah, I heard.
Just these top ones here.
Oops.
That's all good. Beautiful model. I don't see anything wrong with this, so I think the box was the only thing that was damaged. Yeah, so we'll put one of the wings here.
That's so crazy. I'm looking at it and I'm thinking about when you built your glider. So like this stuff and all that. That's
Yeah.
the servo.
Yep, the servos are in here. They're very interesting. Okay. Yes, they're pre everything. So they're pre-installed and the linkages are put on already. And they're two aileron servos, obviously. So yeah, that's the only thing to note here. Let me put this here. I like this material. The foam feels nice.
Yeah,
it's
it
like a
does.
different type of foam. Oh, it's EPO or something like that. Oh, cool. Okay, so you have the spinner in here. The spinner is nice red, already painted, obviously.
Alrighty. And
It's a nice feature.
if you don't mind holding this.
Yes, I'll hold this. And we have the main. Grab it by here.
Right there? Oh.
Yeah. Let me take these. In here you also have two control linkages. So it'll be a little bit of building, but nothing too crazy. So there you go. Wow, that's a pretty big motor in there for the size. That's awesome. So that's the fuselage. Check for any damage. I don't think there's any damage, which is awesome. Cool, beautiful. I like this model a lot. It's very small, as you can see, like arms width or shoulder width, a little bit more than shoulder width.
I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Cool. And then the canopy opens up here. You can see the whole guts in there. There's the receiver. Actually, let me see what receiver that is. AS3X, yeah, so I think that's the newer one. And it comes, guys, with an EC3 plug, okay? So an EC3, and you have, I believe, a Y harness thing in there. So that's how you connect the two aileron servos. You don't need a Y harness. It comes with one. And it has a removable battery tray here, which is nice. So that makes it nice and easy to move the battery in and out so that you can get the CG right.
There we go.
One last thing that we need to unbox. On the bottom here, guys. Oof.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
On the bottom, you guys have the landing gear. So you have the gear here. It's looks like aluminum alloy, painted red, and that's all that should be said about that. All right, guys. So that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching.
bye.
Bye. Alright guys, time for the build. So Eliza and I are going to get cracking on this. Has an 880 kV motor in, by the way. So, first thing. just clean it up a bit here. Cool. All right, so now this can go on. Awesome. That works. Put this thing down. Good stuff. So,
You said, what is that? A person looking person.
okay. There you guys go. So that's a Pitts S-1S from E-flite, 850 millimeter, safe bite and fly. We have 11 by 8 top flight prop on there, wooden prop. So very happy with the build. Everything went on smoothly. Thank you, Liza, for your help. Thank you for getting it. Appreciate it. And we'll see you guys later.